So as you can see behind me, the boys are in the thick of it right now, finishing this patio. So on paper, this design looked like all this Villaggio is gonna flow really nice around this pool as we get to either side where the steps are. And as we kind of walk, things are looking a little bit wonky. You kind of see we have a triangle that's kind of forming a little bit because this pool is not necessarily set square to any portion of the property. All right, I know you guys are super anxious to see what the heck we did with this pattern. So let me just show you. Stayed the same. And so now we turned everything to basically follow one curve. So the idea is that all this is gonna kind of pull you into this spa, this soak pool, as you kind of walk down. That's kind of the whole idea, right?